I know, look at this. This is my idea. Oh, the last one we had, look at
Recreational fire. They asked, we tell them.
No, I told you
This is great.
Uh-oh, here comes another
Well,
one.
you gotta stoke her up with another one.
Yeah. He's got a really dry one.
Yeah, you got to send her out. We're gonna bring that big one. Look at this one. Oh, this one's gonna go. This one's got a lot of body needles on it. Oh, I gotta get up.
Wow. You would think you would know by now. Look at that. Look at that. Another one, Dad. Another. What is that big pile of stuff? I know.
Peterman becomes a Chabot. Oh, yeah, Louis Chabot.
Dad, the big one.
There's nothing like a bonfire that makes it good.
Yeah.
Oh, Brenda.
You can't give it away.